Hello guys, in this video I will share with you guys how to actually proper use dishwashers. So first of all, just fill up everything just like you do, right? But you need to make sure that everything is okay before you start. How do you check? Let me show you quickly. Now if you in the end of the last section, you need to make sure the fan, try to move it fan just like I'm doing here. Make sure this fan is not stuck with, if you are using like heavy kind of dishes, you need to make sure that the fan works after you put that. So, and in the first section it does matter because the fan is upper side, which is kind of hard to locate as well. So here you can add as much as you want until it goes in. If that doesn't go in, that means it will not gonna work. But after you done that, so it's perfect. Now after you wash, you need to let this thing open, like the where you feel the soap, you need to make sure that to let it open, because of that it will dry it down, so when next time when you use it doesn't look greasy. So what I recommend you guys, at the same time you need to make sure to wash your dishes on eco mode. Because why not? Because it will take a bit longer than usual, but it will clean it way better. And that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful.